Giving you the before and after of my car. And it's a mess right now, only because of the pollen. Before and after. The front. This is before the paint job. What a mess. It's okay. This is the before. Again, folks, before the paint job at Maaco. Beauty, but it just needs a little, one, it needs to be clean because of the pollen. Two, it needs a new paint job. It's not bad, but it needs to be better. This is the before. Once again, this is the before. Now, I heard a lot of good reviews about Maaco. Maaco better not let me down. Whatever it is, I'm putting it on Facebook. That's the before. Looks a mess, but it's going to be fixed. Pollen is horrible here. Okay. And that's my baby right there. That's my new baby. That's my older baby. This is my new baby right here. Is he waiting to go by or what? Is he waiting to go? Thank you. Alright. So, this is that. Okay, thank you.